Hi, my name is Sam. These are my libraries. Okay. Public graphic user interface. So first I created a JFrame title stereo waveform display for the main window. I then added a J button to facilitate opening audio files. This helps me initialize two JPanel objects, view left and view right, which displays the waveform for the left and right audio channels. I then set up labels called sample frequency label and sample number label, which shows the sample frequency and the total number of samples. Lastly, I wanted to organize the components effectively, so I used a border layout and a grid layout. My second function, what this does is it manages the event triggered by clicking the button to open and process audio files. So I implemented a JFile chooser dialog for the user to select an audio file. It reads the chosen file as an audio input stream, and then it extracts the audio format, which includes the sample frequency and the number of channels, and reads the audio data into a byte array. So the buffered image draw waveform, what this does is it generates a visual of the audio waveform using the channel data. And then here's my main function. So when I run my code, you see this sample frequency and total number of samples, and then here's my waveforms. And for the second audio file, here, the same thing, the frequency is shown and the total number of samples. So for question 2, I used two libraries, Tinker and Pillow. My first function, pretty much what it does, it just initializes the window and the graphic user interface components. So yeah, I resized it to 720 by 576, and then I labeled it file, open file, and exit. For the second function, I use ask open file name to let the user select a BMP file. And then for the last function, I just displayed it. So when you run the code, here, image 1, replaces it, image 2, lastly image 3, and then there's an exit button too.